Второй класс. Английский язык. Моя семья. Домашнее задание. Страница 24, 25, 26, 27. English. Starlight 2. My family. Homework. Page number 24, 25, 26, 27. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 24, 24. My family. Exercise number 1. Слушай диалог и смотри на картинки. Bye, Ronnie. Be good. Bye, Mommy. Let's play in the garden. This is fun. Where's Ronnie? I don't know. Is he in the living room? No, he isn't. Is he in the kitchen? No, he isn't. Look, he's in the bedroom over there. Oh no, my best nose. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 26, 26. Exercise number 1. Назови малыша и его маму, как показано в образце. A lamb is a baby sheep. Lamb, puppy. Kitten, foal. A lamb is a baby sheep. A lamb is a baby sheep. A puppy is a baby dog. A kitten is a baby cat. A foal is a baby horse. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 27, 27. Exercise number 2. Посмотри на картинки, сосчитай членов каждой семьи и напиши, какая семья большая, big, а какая маленькая, small. The answer. Number 1. This is a small family. Number 2. This is a big family. Number 3. This is a big family. Number 4. This is a small family. Number 5. This is a big family. Number 6. This is a small family. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.